Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix these together well, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool completely while you prepare the filling. Next, we'll create the rich, creamy filling. Start with 32 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, beating it until it's perfectly smooth. Gradually incorporate 1½ cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Finally, mix in 4 large eggs, adding them one at a time and scraping down the bowl after each addition to ensure everything is well combined. Now it's time to bake your cheesecake to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared filling over your cooled crust, smoothing the top for an even finish. Place the springform pan into a larger pan filled with about 1 inch of hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. After baking, cool it in the oven with the door ajar for 1 hour, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, carefully remove it from the springform pan. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can top it with fresh berries, elegant chocolate shavings, or a vibrant fruit compote. Slice and serve this delicious dessert to your friends and family. For more great tips and deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.